Ever wished you could spin your favorite YouTube music tracks directly in your Discord voice channels, creating shared listening experiences for your entire community? Well, get ready to elevate your server's vibe because today, we're diving into how to make that a reality. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Discord server and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, we need to find the right tool. Look for the app directory button, often found at the top of your server menu, usually represented by a puzzle piece icon. In the app directory, type YouTube Music into the search bar. You'll see a variety of music bots. We're looking for one that specifically integrates with YouTube Music. Once you find a reputable bot, click on it and then select Add to Discord. This will bring up an authorization screen. Carefully review the permissions the bot is requesting, ensuring you're comfortable with them, and then click Authorize to grant it access to your server. Now that the bot is added, join a voice channel in your server. You should see a welcome message from the bot in the server's text chat, confirming it's ready to go. To start playing music, all you need to do is use the bot's designated command in the text chat. Typically, you'll type a prefix, like an exclamation mark or slash, followed by the play command and the name of the YouTube Music song or artist you want to play. The bot will then join the voice channel you're in and start streaming the music directly. You can also use other commands like skip, stop, or pause to manage your music queue and keep the party going smoothly. And there you have it. Your Discord server is now equipped to enjoy YouTube Music together, transforming your community hangouts into personalized concert halls or chill listening sessions. Happy listening!